Meaning of existentialism.
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 Existentialism. Existentialism is a philosophical movement that emphasizes individual freedom and choice. It is centered on the idea that people must create meaning and purpose for their own lives in a world that lacks inherent meaning. According to existentialists, human beings are alone in the universe and must take responsibility for their own choices and actions. This philosophy emphasizes the importance of personal experience and self-reflection, as well as the acceptance of the unpredictability and uncertainty of life. Existentialism has had a significant impact on fields such as art, literature, psychology, and politics.